Hi everyone, it's Misty and Kim from Mimi's Wig Boutique in Dallas, and today we are going to do a review on the two new styles by Amore, and they have new colors too, so we're going to look at that.
They actually have some more styles, but they're human hair, so we're going to show you the two synthetic ones, the Bay and the, what's the other one?
Arden.
Arden.
Yeah.
All right. We'll start with Bay.
Ooh, you get a new color.
Yeah, they also introduced a couple of new colors. This is called Melted Caramel.
Everything always sounds so tasty.
It always makes me hungry.
I know.
It's either coffee or food. Now they start naming things like, burger and fries. We're going to be in trouble.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, nice comfortable cap.
Yeah, the cap is comfortable. So these are lace front with a monofilament top, and then an open cap in the back. This is kind of a remake of Gia, from what our rep tells us. Some people wanted Gia with lace front and monofilament, and they don't like as much volume. So
Yeah.
this fits the bill.
And Gia's from the original Renee Paris collection, if you are not familiar with that.
And Amore hasn't come out with a short style in a really long time. I am so happy they're doing something short.
This is cute. It's really cute. Yeah. It's
It's got a little bit longer neckline, but Gia does.
It's hugging on the forehead, but it's not. I have a short forehead, but it's given a nice sweep. So if it's not really getting in my eyes at all, and so that's nice because it's hard to get those sweepy bangs like that without it getting like a face flopper. I had a client yesterday and she kept saying that's a face flopper. That's nice. That's nice.
Mine doesn't lay as flat as yours.
No, it doesn't.
Got a little bit of poof right there.
And if you wanted a little bit more lift, you could put a little product in here, some wig wax or something, and get that. But this is really cute. All right, let's switch colors.
All right. How would you describe this melted caramel?
And it actually looks like a cross between sugarcane and creamy toffee R or something. I don't even know how to describe
With a little spring honey thrown in.
Yeah, it doesn't. When I think of caramel, I think of literally like craft caramels.
Right.
And making caramel apples, which is a little bit darker than that, but definitely has caramely tone.
If you put some cream in the caramel when you melted it, it'd look just like this.
Oh, I love caramel.
Yeah, you could just dip an apple in there. That'd be good.
Oh, melted marshmallow is just so beautiful.
It is.
It's one of the prettiest colors, and we've had several things made for us in this color.
I like the way that one's hanging better than this one.
This one? Yeah, it does
I
have a little
I don't
more
look good
lift.
with anything flat, but a lot of people like that flat look. And
Cute.
yeah, cute.
Like it.
All right, let's try another color.
Okay.
All right, this is a new color, chocolate twist. And
More
I
chocolate.
don't even know how to describe it, but Misty, I think you're kind of right. It's kind of almond roca-ish.
Yeah, it looks like almond roca, tones like Noriko and Renee Paris.
But more blended.
But more blended, not as chunky. And I don't think we even showed the inside of the cap. This is what they're looking like. So a nice deep lace in the front. Double mono has this little netting at the top.
I love the netting. I think for people that don't have very much hair, don't have any hair at all, that netting is really a lot softer on their skin.
Well, and it's also good. I don't know what it's really intended for, but it's also good if you have really dark hair, and you're wanting to wear a light color like this. I don't know. I think that helps.
Yeah, I'm sure. The black.
This Silverstone is really pretty.
Oh, it is. This one seems to have a little bit more curl to it.
It seems a little bit longer too to me on the sides. The lace front is a little far. I think it's almost like a half an inch.
Yeah, it'd have to be trimmed.
Yeah, so definitely want to trim that, preferably, with the John Renault pinking shears. Sorry, I know this is all that and more, but those pinking shears are great. this is cute.
Yeah, that's super cute.
I think this is going to be a big hit for them. I mean,
Well, I think it will be too, because like I said, they haven't come out with anything short in a long time. And some of the styles that they've done in the past were just so dense on top. And so
Yeah.
I can tell this is really lightened up.
I'm really rooting for them. I mean, I love everything they do almost, and with all of their lines, you know, Noriko, Rene Paris, Amore, because I just love their fibers and I love that their colors are great. I just wish that they would get some of the same technology in the lace front that some of the other companies get. And I don't mean that to be ugly. That's just the way it is.
Yeah.
You know, that their lace fronts, they're a lot better than they were when they first started. But, oh my gosh, this color's gorgeous.
That is really pretty on you.
That's really pretty. Nice brunette.
I love the silver stone. So the lace on this goes to about here.
Yeah, right here. Like
So
it.
it's not an extended lace front, I guess is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, like it. Like
All
it a lot.
right. Let's do the next style.
Okay. We took this out of the box, but I don't even know how long it is. I don't know anything about it. Since we haven't been able to put them on the website yet, I haven't even looked at length, weight, anything.
Well, one thing I immediately noticed was how soft this fiber is. I mean, it is so soft.
Okay, so this is melted caramel. Where's that short melted caramel? This is tipped. So
Oh my gosh, it looks so different.
these are the same? I don't know if I'm getting the shot.
I
but-
don't see any tipping going on this. If it is, it's slight.
And this is a long root, like a balayage almost.
And you know what I like about that? It's not so dark.
Melted caramel.
Because when they do the long roots and they're super dark.
Oh, here it is.
And this is that seashell blonde. I'm good. Okay, this is definitely a hole in a lot of lines. Where you've got
the seashell
something.
color or the wig, the
This-
style.
Well, a lot of people are coming out with the lighter blondes now, but it's the style because
Oh,
it lays flat. It's on the longer side, and it's already got a bang cut in it.
it sure does. I can't really tell. Oh, this is cute.
Yeah, this is real cute. And you could, steam that away from your face if you wanted to. Trying to get that
tag.
thing
These
going.
tags are driving me insane.
Oh,
This
this is
is
pretty.
cute.
And it's not too long.
No, it's not. And it's nice and thin
Yeah.
down here. I mean, this looks like natural hair.
Yeah.
So much of the time when anybody does a shoulder length wig, it's so thick down there. And that's just not the way hair is. I mean, some people have natural hair like that, but most people don't. I mean, look at that bang. So you could just move that across and do an all across wispy bang. Just redirect it
Or
with a
you-
hot air brush.
Or you can just sweep it over.
Uh-huh. This is lace too, right? Yeah.
Yeah. This is lace with a monofilament top, just like the other one.
Now, I'm going to say this color is way prettier on than it was in my hand.
It is. It is.
This is nice.
Mm-hmm. Doesn't the fiber feel good?
Mm-hmm.
Cap is comfortable. Lots of good stretch.
I think that their fibers wear longer than some of the other companies do. Yeah. Cute.
All right. Switch.
Oops, I'm pulling my own hair. When they came out with Seashell Blonde, I was almost jumping for joy because how many times a day, especially in the summer, do we hear, I like light blonde, I want a platinum blonde, but no gold.
No yellow. Yep.
And this just fits the bill.
I like this color better in the long style than the short. I mean, they're
Yeah,
both
the
pretty.
short one's just not much different than...
It doesn't have a lot of color dimension in the short. It's got the dark root, but with this, you see all the color
I
dimension.
can't get this one out of my face. I will say I don't know what colors the short one comes in to know if they're making it in creamy toffee and sugar cane and all that. So maybe that's their blonde option. I don't know. But oh gosh, yeah, this style is cute.
Yes.
This is gonna go over good. I'm happy.
I am too.
Happy.
I might have to have me one.
You just might. Okay, and then we're gonna show you one more color.
Number 3.
Oh.
You know how much I enjoyed that?
Yes. Copper glaze.
Copper glaze. Well, I cannot wear that color. I think that is really one of their prettiest colors.
Oh, me too. It's got so many different tones in it. I mean, it's got some nice blondes.
I love that they're making this in Silverstone. I don't know if they're making it in Sandy Silver. We'll have to figure that out.
Probably not. I mean, I don't know for sure, but it seems like that
They're-
last time they didn't do Sandy Silver.
The new launches, a lot of times they don't.
This is cute.
This is really pretty, and the Silverstone is gorgeous.
Oh yeah, this is nice. And you're right. This is a whole. You know, the only other style that's like this length that has a bang is that I can think of right now is Hunter by Tony and Beverly. Now I don't know price point wise what these are going to be yet.
Well, they make Robin, but Robin is just a lot longer.
Yeah, and it doesn't have any layers.
Yeah.
It's just kind of, you know. But these, if you just get that hot air brush and just kind of fluff those out, you could have such a cute all across bang.
Yeah.
You know, and look, we wouldn't even really have to cut it. You don't have to do anything. It's there. Cute.
I like that color on you.
Cute.
All right, let's switch. And again, these liners we wear when we're trying wigs on that are not our personal wigs, but we don't recommend that you wear them because they're hot, they're uncomfortable, and they slide. Well, the only thing we recommend is the wig grip, which is the band that we have on underneath them.
And finally, I guess about a year or two ago, they finally decided that just because you have gray hair doesn't mean you have to have short hair. They started all across all of our manufacturers started doing longer wigs in gray, which I'm so happy with. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. You know, Seville from Noriko is about this length. It doesn't have the face framing, but that bang is really heavy. And this is so lightweight.
Well, and Seville's got a lot of volume here. And it is way more lightweight than Seville.
I like it.
Me too.
I like it a lot. Good job, Amore.
Yes!
Good job. All right. Well, these debut as of April the 13th.
Yes, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
All
So-
right, so
Thanks for joining us.
Yes.
And we'll see you next time. Something new to show.
mhm.
And lots of opinions.
Bye.
Bye.